Hello everyone, I am Johnson. Today, let's learn how to make buttons. A button in the context of user experience UX design is a graphical element that users can interact with to perform an action or submit information. Buttons are a fundamental part of user interfaces, and they are designed to be visually distinct and easily clickable. They can come in various forms, such as text buttons, icon buttons, or image buttons. Let's create the prototype. First, drag in a label. Enter Basic. Then drag in a rectangle to create the button. Enter Basic. Change the fill color to white. Then add a mouse over style effect, setting the button fill to light gray. Add a mouse down style effect, setting the fill color to gray. Duplicate the button. Enter Primary. In the same way, set the button style. We need to add a primary text color, as well as mouse over and mouse down style effects. Then add accent and worn buttons. Add a disabled style effect to the Disable button. Then right-click to set it as disabled. Duplicate the Basic button. Add a click interaction to the Link button. This way, the cursor will change to a hand gesture when the mouse moves over it. Duplicate the label. Enter Raised. Then drag in the raised button we created in the previous lesson. Duplicate more buttons. Modify their fill color and text color. Then add mouse over and mouse down style effects. In the same way, add more buttons. Duplicate the label. Change the text to stroked. Then duplicate the buttons above. Change their style. Remove the shadow and add a border. Duplicate the primary button. Adjust its size and style. In the same way, add more buttons. Duplicate the raised buttons. Change the label to flat. Then remove the shadow and border from all buttons. Duplicate the basic buttons. Change the label to icon. Delete the text. Change the shape to an ellipse. Then drag in the icon. Group the icon and shape. Check Apply Mouse Style Effects. In the same way, add more icon buttons. Then change the color of the icons. Duplicate the raised buttons. Change the label to FAB. Then change the button's background to circular. Adjust its size. Then drag in the icon. Group the icon and shape. Check Apply Mouse Style Effects. In the same way, modify other buttons. Duplicate the label. Change the text to Mini FAB. Then duplicate the FAB button. Adjust its background size. Replace the icon. Preview the prototype. When you click the buttons, you can see their style effects. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.